how to buy node.sys. Now this token came under the symbol of NYS. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. How to be able to buy this token? Click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, so this is also going to click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token. As you can see, this is it. Now after that, click on swap and switch from here. Now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, now as you can see, no corresponding liquidity pool. Please select a different token. So I will use the market. As you can see, now click on this exchange. Now click on pair and you will be able to have access to XC. Now first of all, make sure to log into your account on XC, and you can now buy this token on your account on XC. Now how to do that? As you can see, click on limit and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid with that USDT on your account. Now click here on buy NYS. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy NYS token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.